In this video, we will learn the basics of budgeting and how it can help you take control of your finances. Having a budget is essential for managing your money effectively and achieving your financial goals. The first step in budgeting is understanding your income and expenses. Take a look at your monthly income, including your salary, any additional sources of income, and subtract your fixed expenses such as rent or mortgage payments, utilities, and insurance. Then determine your variable expenses such as groceries, entertainment, and transportation. Setting clear financial goals is crucial for effective budgeting. Decide what you want to achieve, whether it's saving for a dream vacation, paying off debt, or building an emergency fund. Having specific goals will give your budgeting efforts direction and purpose. Now it's time to create a budget plan. Start by allocating a portion of your income towards your essential expenses and savings goals. Then, distribute the remaining amount to cover discretionary expenses. Make sure to prioritize your needs over wants and adjust your budget as necessary. To stay on top of your budget, it's important to track your spending. Keep a record of every purchase and compare it with your budgeted amounts. This will help you identify areas where you may be overspending and make necessary adjustments to stay on track. As your financial situation changes, it's essential to regularly review and adjust your budget. Life events such as a pay raise, new expenses, or changes in financial goals may require modifications to your budgeting strategy. Stay flexible and make necessary tweaks to ensure your budget remains effective. By following these budgeting basics, you can take control of your finances and work towards achieving your financial goals. Remember, budgeting is a continuous process that requires discipline and commitment, but the rewards of financial stability and peace of mind are well worth the effort. The way of success is the way of continuous pursuit of knowledge. Napoleon Hill. This highlights the importance of continuous learning in the pursuit of wealth. Knowledge is a crucial wealth-building tool, and the more we learn, the closer we get to achieving our wealth goals. If you want to learn more, then check out Secrets of Success by clicking on the link below this video.